just 13 posts. And this page gained over 100,000 followers. And one of their videos crossed over 62 million views. Now look at this, 49 million, 56 million, 50 million, same type of video, over and over again. These cement planter videos are going absolutely viral right now. And here's the crazy part. All of these videos follow the same formula. Same style, same type of character, just different scenes every time. And the video you're seeing right now, I made it using free AI tools. No camera, no studio, and no experience needed. In this video, I'll show you the exact workflow I used, step by step, using Claude AI, Flow AI, and CapCut, all completely free. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to create your first video and post it today. So let's get started. To create this type of video, the first thing you need is the master prompt. I've already built one for you, so you don't have to spend hours figuring everything out yourself. This single prompt handles the entire workflow. It helps generate the character, the location, the plant selection, the image prompts, and even the video prompts we'll use later in the process. Once you have it, copy the entire prompt, because we'll use it to build everything from scratch. Now let's head over to Claude AI and put it to work. Now that you have the master prompt, open a new tab and search for Claude AI. Open the first result that has this logo. If you're new to Claude AI, just create a free account and complete the setup process until you reach the main dashboard. Once you're here, click on New Chat to start fresh. Now paste the entire master prompt into the chat box and hit enter. Give it a few seconds to process everything. And just like that, Claude AI starts building the entire workflow for us automatically. Now the interesting part is what Claude AI will ask next. Once Claude AI finishes processing the prompt, it starts asking a few simple questions to customize the video. The first one is character selection. You can choose a new male character, a new female character, or use your own reference image, just like what I am choosing. Just make your selection and move to the next step. Next, Claude AI would ask for the location you want the cement planter video to take place. You'll see several options on screen. Simply choose the environment that you want your video to take place. For this example, I'm going with this one. After that, choose the plant you want to plant in the final planter. It can be any plant that fits your style of video. Finally, select the planter color. Once you've answered all of these questions, Claude takes everything you've selected and starts building the entire workflow automatically. And this is where things get really interesting. Just give it a few moments to finish. When it's done, you'll notice that Claude AI has generated everything we need. You'll get a full set of image prompts, along with matching video prompts for every scene in the project. In my case, Claude AI generated 11 to 12 image prompts, and directly underneath each one, it also created a matching video prompt that we'll use later. For now, focus only on the image prompts. Don't copy the video prompts yet. We'll need those in the next stage of the workflow. Now that Claude AI has done all the planning for us, it's time to start creating the actual images. Copy the first image prompt from Claude AI and open your image generator. For this tutorial, I'm using Flow AI, but you can use any image generator that supports reference images. Once you're inside Flow AI, click on New Project. Before generating anything, open the settings and set the aspect ratio to 9:16, since we're creating vertical videos. Then click on this plus icon and upload your reference image. This should be the same character image you selected earlier when Claude AI asked about your character. Once the image is uploaded, paste the first image prompt into the prompt box and click Generate. Give it a few seconds to finish. And just like that, your first image is ready. Now let's do one more together. Go back to Claude AI and copy the second image prompt. Make sure you're copying the image prompt only and not the video prompt that is underneath it. Return to Flow AI. Keep your reference image selected and paste the new prompt. Then click on Generate again. Your second image should now be ready. At this point, the process is exactly the same for all of the remaining scene. Simply move through the prompts one by one. Keep your reference image selected, paste the next image prompt, and generate until all your images are complete. Now that all your images are finished, it's time to download them. To do that, look for the 3 dots above each image and click on them. You'll see a download option appear. When downloading, make sure you choose the HD or upscaled version whenever it's available. Avoid downloading the original version because the image quality may not be sharp enough at the time we turn everything into video. Repeat this for every image you've generated. As you're downloading them, keep them organized in order. Image 1, image 2, image 3, and so on. Trust me, this will make the next step much easier. Because each image has a matching video prompt waiting for it inside Claude AI, once all your images are downloaded, we're ready to turn them into videos. For this step, we're using Flow AI again, because it does a great job maintaining character consistency across multiple scenes. Just open Flow AI and create a new project. This time, click on Video option at the settings. Then open the Model menu and select Veo 3.1 Lite. Then upload your first image. After that, return to Claude AI and locate the matching video prompt underneath Image Prompt 1. Copy that video prompt and bring it back into Flow AI. Before generating, take a second to double check everything. Make sure you're using Image 1 together with Video Prompt 1. This is important, because every image has its own matching animation prompt. Once everything looks correct, select 9:16 as the aspect ratio and click Generate. Give it a moment to finish. And just like that, your first video clip is ready. Now let's do one more together. Upload image 2, copy video prompt 2 from Claude AI, paste it into Flow AI, and generate again. You should now have your second video clip ready as well. At this point, you've already learned the entire process. Simply repeat the same workflow for the remaining images until every scene has been converted into video. Once all your clips are finished, download them one by one and keep them organized in the same order as your images. Now that all of your video clips are ready, it's time to assemble the final video. Open CapCut and import all the clips you generated. Once all the clips are on the timeline, play through each clip and make sure everything looks good before making any edits. To make the video feel more dynamic, slightly increase the speed of each clip. Just click on a clip, open the speed option, and increase it a little. Repeat this for all the clips on your timeline. While reviewing your footage, trim out any section that doesn't look right or feels unnecessary. Next, you'll notice the Veo watermark at the bottom of the clips. A simple way to remove it is to slightly zoom into the video until the watermark is cropped out of the frame. Once your clips are cleaned up, add transitions between each scene to make everything flow smoothly. Then, add background music to give the video a more polished and engaging feel. Now play the entire video from beginning to end and make any final adjustments you feel are necessary. When everything looks good, click Export and save the video to your device. And just like that, you've created a complete AI-generated cement planter video using free tools from start to finish. Your video is now ready to post on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, or any platform you choose. And that's it. From one single master prompt, we've generated the images, converted them into videos, edited everything together, and created a complete DIY cement planter video using free AI tools. The best part is that this workflow isn't limited to cement planters. Once you understand the process, you can use the same system to create countless variations with different characters, locations, plants, and styles. So take some time to experiment with it and see what you can create. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more AI tools, AI workflows, and content creation tutorials. And if you get stuck at any point, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. This is Simple AI Tools, signing out.